Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is the how to do push-up series day 1. So for day 1 I'm doing 2 variations wherein I'll be doing 3 sets of 12 reps each for variation 1. For variation 1 I have used wall as my prop. I am preparing myself with arms width length. I have squeezed in my core, I have squeezed in my glutes, and then I have started my push-ups. I am inhaling when I go forward and exhale as you come up. So this is the correct motion of breathing that you will have to do while you are doing the push-ups. You have to consider the inclined as much as comfortable for you. So for the first variation, because I have been practicing this earlier, I was able to do 3 sets. As you see, I have recorded the entire 3 sets for this particular video, but I have increased the speed of the other 2 sets so that the video doesn't get too longer. So for set 2 and 3 you'll be able to see the video is at a little bit of higher speed. Alright, great job. So we'll jump into variation 2. For variation 2, I am using the sofa at my home. You could use any of the inclination that is comfortable for you. You could use your dining table, you could use your bed, you could use your balcony railings. But mind well, you have to put your entire body weight onto it. So you have to consider a heavy object. So here I have first consider the inclination that is comfortable for me. For variation 2, I was able to do only 2 sets of 10 reps. So this becomes a little more challenging, and as this is day 1, I'm not pushing through pain. I have increased my limit. Earlier I have tried this inclination and I was hardly able to do 1 set. So this time I have raised the bar and have done 2 sets. If you see, I'm already facing breathlessness. So take your time. Posture, the form is very important, so don't rush through it. Don't increase the speed just to complete the set. Take your time, breathe well, inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up. You have to do this very carefully because you will start feeling the pressure on your upper body, on your shoulders, on your chest, on your core. So tighten up your core and squeeze in your glutes to have maximum strength from your body. Inhale while you go down, exhale while you come up. So do watch till the end to see my reaction after 2 sets, and this is a genuine reaction. I'll be uploading shots for all my days and be uploading the 3rd variation if I'm including on day 5 or 6. I'll be trying out, and if I'm trying out and I fail, I'll be uploading that as well, so you can know how genuine I am to learn how to do push-ups. At the end of 30 days, I'm hoping to do at least 1 full range of push-up. So that's done. Day 1 is done. So I hope you try out and have the burn. Thank you. Bye-bye.